Hey everybody, it's Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. Woke up this morning and decided to make this blueberry lemon cake before anybody woke up. So they have breakfast. Come on, let's try it and make it. Follow along. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is, I have 2 eggs. Throw it in the mixer with a cup of sugar. Now we're gonna beat it for about 3-4 minutes, all right? Okay, so now we're gonna start adding some of the other ingredients. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. See, it's kind of pale looking. Now, all right, so we're gonna start with the sour cream. I gotta tell you, my niece Emmy got me onto this from Pampered Chef. It's a godsend. I'm trying to show you how to do it. Hold on. And it's not cooperating. All right, look. And I got all the sour cream. So that was a cup of sour cream. Yeah, shout out to Emmy's Chaos. I think she sells Pampered Chef. She's great. All right, that, I put a half a cup of oil. And I have light olive oil, because that's what I like. A teaspoon of vanilla, all right, I know, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon of lemon extract. So now I'm gonna mix this all up. Okay, I have 2 cups of flour. We are going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All right. So, and we're gonna mix this all up. So it's all, because we're gonna add it in 1/3 at a time to the liquids. So let me start mixing. Okay, I found it easy to use a larger spoon. So just do 1, 2, and then mix. All right, it does help if the handle is up. So mix it until it's combined. So I'm gonna do the rest of it. All right, batter's all done. So now I have a pint of blueberries. I'm going to mix, if I could find it, about a teaspoon of, or less. I wouldn't even do a 2, I would do like 3/4 of it. Mix in the blueberries, okay? So you're gonna mix them up, but, all right, I have about a teaspoon or and a half of lemon juice. You're gonna mix it in the blueberries until you do not see any more white cornstarch. No more white stuff. So, and now let me finish mixing and I'll get the springform pan ready. Okay, I love this stuff. But what I did do is I cut out a circle that matches the bottom of the pan so it's easy to take out. Just spray the sides and the bottom. Yeah, I know, I'm double spraying. And put it in, so this way, when you gotta take it out, you're not fighting with the bottom of the pan. So, all right, my blueberries are all done. So now, you can do 2 things. Put some cake and then some blueberries on top and do another layer. I just like mixing it all in together, all right? And with my spatula, you know, because I scrape the sides, and you just want to gently mix. And